Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print number pattern. That is descending number triangle given below 4321, 432, 43 and 4. For this we are going to write a Python program. Here I am writing a for loop for I in range 4. For is a keyword for the for loop, I is a loop variable. Range function will generate a list from 0 to 3. That is, if you 4, it will generate list from 0 to 3. If it is 5, it will generate list from 0 to 4. If it is n, it will generate list from 0 to n minus 1. The loop variable I will take the value 1 by 1 from 0, 1, 2 and 3. The in operator helps this purpose. Inside the for loop, I am writing another for loop for j in range. The starting value is 4. It will go up to I and the step is minus 1. So the range function in the inner for loop will generate list starting from 4 up to the value of I minus 1. So the j value will take the value 1 by 1 in the each iteration. Inside the inner for loop, I am printing the value of j and making the end parameter as a space. The default end parameter is /n. If it is /n, the value will get printed in the new row 1 by 1. But if I make a space, the value will get printed in the same row with a space. So I'm coming out of the inner for loop and have a print statement. The print statement will take the value to the next row. So once the inner loop is over, the control will come out. The control will move to the next row. Again, control back to the outer for loop. We take the next value from this range generated list and continue the inner for loop. Now we will analyze the logic. Here for I in range 0 to 4, the outer for loop will generate a list 0, 1, 2 and 3. We will control come to the inner for loop for j in range 4, comma I. What is the initial I value? 0. So the inner for loop, the list is 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here the j will take the value 4 first. It will get printed 4 and again like the value 3. 3 will get printed and 2 and 1. So once the inner loop is over, control will come out and the print will get executed. Control will go to the next row. Now I will take the value 1. Here a range function will generate list from 4, 3, 2 because I is 1. It will print the value 4, 3 and 2. That will come out. The print statement will get executed. Control will go to the next loop. I will take the value 2. Now the inner loop will generate a list 4, comma 3. It will get printed 4 and 3 by the inner for loop. It will come out. The print statement will get executed. Control go to the next row. Now the I value is 3. The inner for loop will generate list 4 only. The 4 will get printed. So this is the logic. We will execute the program and check the result. Here I am getting the descending number triangle. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.